Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start with a quick check. Make sure your iPhone is paired and on the same Apple ID as your watch. Once done, enable location services for weather on the iPhone so forecasts match where you are. Next, open the Watch app, go to My Watch, and select Weather. This is where you link watch face data to the iPhone Weather app. Do this now so the watch can pull live conditions and forecasts immediately. You'll now add the weather complication to your chosen face. First, pick a face that supports complications. Infograph and Modular are good choices because they display data clearly. Then either press and hold the watch face on your Apple Watch and tap Customize, or use the face gallery in the iPhone Watch app. Assign the weather complication to a slot and choose the data type, such as current temperature or conditions, so you see the exact info you care about at a glance. Finish by confirming the watch displays live weather. Swipe to the complication or open the weather app on the watch. It should match the iPhone. If data is missing, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active and restart both devices, because connectivity often fixes sync delays. If problems persist, update Watch OS and iOS, and in the Watch app use General Reset sync data. That often restores missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.